What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Donald. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe out there. You guys noticing anything a little bit different here? That's right, I'm not wearing a hat. You guessed it. Wow, right? I know. Anyways, I got an awesome video coming up for you guys. I'm going to open up some Funko Sodas. I got 2 shredders, so hopefully I pull the chase. And I got a Chucky. So we'll open those up together. And I'm going to be doing my giveaway that I didn't announce. It's probably in my video from like 3 or 4 weeks ago, and it is right there. And I'm going to be giving away this bad boy shortly. And I got a gift from a friend, Jason Woodworth on Instagram. Pop431 sent me a gift. I have no idea what's in here. He just hit me up and said, hey, I got something for you. So I'm going to be opening that up today from Jason. Jason, thank you so much. You don't have to do this kind of thing, but you did, so thank you. So let's open all these up and let's see what we got. All right, before we open up the Funko Sodas and the gift from Jason, I want to go ahead and do the giveaway. A few videos ago, I just opened a couple of these up and I had a duplicate, so I wanted to go ahead and give the duplicate away to one of you guys. So I went ahead and had you guys put I love He-Man in the comments on that video. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that up now. I have YouTube random comment picker already loaded on my phone with the YouTube link and the hashtag. So I'm going to go ahead and click on get YouTube comments. And only 7 of you entered. I guess you guys don't love He-Man as much as I thought. I know I do. So I got a duplicate of this guy. Let's go ahead and see if I can open it up. I still don't remember how to open these things up. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so all it is a little figure of He-Man. And there he is right there. Very cool. And it comes in a little Castle Grayskull with some paperwork. Oh, it has a little paperwork and it has his little sword. That is sick. I have one right there. So my duplicate is going to one of you guys. So there's 7 of you that entered. So good luck to 7 of you out there. I'm going to go ahead and start right now. Here we go. Drum roll, please. Here we go. And the winner is Juan Diaz. Awesome, Juan. He put hashtag I love He-Man. That's all I asked you to do, was to put a comment in the comment section with the hashtag I love He-Man. And Juan Diaz, you are the winner. So congratulations. This is going to you. Hit me up on Instagram, send me a DM, and let me know your address so I can get this out to you right away. Congrats, Juan. All right, we're moving on to the Funko Sodas. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can just pry this open without the knife. It's a little tough. There we go. That'll start me off. Congrats once again to Juan Diaz for winning the He-Man Eternia minifigure. So that's what the Funko Soda looks like right there. 15,000 pieces. Very cool. Chucky. So there was a chase. I should have grabbed 2. Didn't realize there was a chase, I guess, or just didn't buy 2. But let's go ahead and open it up and see if I got the chase, if I lucked out on the first try or not. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pop the top off this thing. There we go. Black bag. Feels squishy. I think it has some bubble wrap in there. This bag has not been opened. Now it has. I'm not going to show it to you. I don't even know what the chase looks like. Let me see. The chase just has a question mark on it, so probably definitely going to look different from the original. So here we go. I'm taking it out of the bubble wrap now. Let's find out together if I got the chase. Here we go. 3, 2. Before I hit 1 and show you, cross your fingers for me at home, okay? Please, help me out. Hook me up. Let's get that chase. Cross your fingers for me. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It is the common, but it's all good. He's a dope looking common. And that is Chucky, good guy. Vinyl soda. Very, very cool. He is not the chase. Maybe if I would have grabbed some more. So, didn't win on this guy. Last time, I think I got, what did I get? Freddy Funko? Oh, I got 2 of him, and I got 1 common, and I got 1 chase of the Freddy Funko Vinyl Soda. But here is the little pod that comes inside of it, or pog, I should say. Chucky, 1 out of 12,500. So that tells me if this is 15, limited to 15,000 pieces, and I got 1 out of 12,500, then there's another 2,500 out there of chases. So I didn't score on him, but I got a cool looking non-chase Chucky right here to put in my collection here somewhere. All right, so let's move on to the Shredder Funko Sodas. All right, here are the 2 Shredders. Right there is limited to 12,500 pieces. I grabbed 2 of them, so let's keep your fingers crossed again for me to see if I get a common and a chase. If you don't know, Shredder is from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I'm sure you know that. These tops sometimes are tough to pop off. Okay, let's go ahead and open them up one at a time. So I get it out of the can. It has bubble wrap as well. Let's pop it open. The other one opened way easier. I'm not going to show you. I'm not sure what the chase looks like as well, but we will figure it out together. You may already know. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Is it the chase? I don't think so. It looks like this guy, so it is the common. I'll show you what the thing says on the inside. Yep, 1 out of 10,500, so he is the common. So let's set him aside and let's open up the next one. Keep those fingers crossed. Here we go. It's got to be a chase. Let's do this. Oh, I already showed you, didn't I? It's a common. I got 2 commons. Dang. So guess what? Last time I got duplicates of this. So today I got duplicates of this. So guess what? One of you guys are going to win. I'm going to go ahead and give this guy away right here because I have 2 of them. What do I need 2 for? I bought 1. I bought 2 to get 1 and the common and then the chase. But I'm going to go ahead and give 1 of these away to you guys. So go ahead and comment in the comment section down below. Hashtag give me Shredder. Hashtag give me Shredder. And that'll enter you into another hidden giveaway. I'm not going to announce it. It's going to be in this video. If you watch my videos, you get a chance to win. Simple as that. So in the comment section down below, hashtag give me Shredder. And you will win this shortly. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to see what I got from Jason. Okay, moving right along, gonna open up this gift from Jason Woodworth, Pop 431 on Instagram. Man, he taped it pretty good. He just hit me up out of the blue. It said he wanted to send me something. So I was like, oh man, that's cool. So I gave him my address and he sent me this box. Not sure what's in here. He didn't let me know what was in here, but isn't that awesome? You know, Jason, you don't have to send me anything, and you did, so I appreciate it, man. Anybody who sends me something, it's definitely appreciated. So as you can see, there's some bubble wrap and looks like a paper or a note on the inside right here. So it says Donald. So let's go ahead and read this. I'm trying to hold it up high so you can see it. It says, thank you. Oh, there it is, one of his stickers. Awesome. Pop 431. Definitely going to put that back there. Pop 431. Give him a follow on Instagram. I will link his Instagram down in the description. And let's go ahead and read the card. It says, thank you. I heard you say that you missed this one. Thank you for being a positive. Oh, just for being a positive in our collecting community. Pop 431. That's awesome, man. Thank you for sending me this note. It really means a lot. Thanks for the sticker. Now I'm anxious to see what's in the box. He heard me say that I missed this one, so I miss a lot of things. It could be anything. So let's open it up. It's exciting. All right, let's go. I don't want to give it away, so I'm looking away, just showing you what I'm opening up here. Now, let me go ahead and switch cameras now. There we go. Okay, it is in a pop protector. Let me show you, there's nothing else in the box. There you go. Yeah, lots of packing. You definitely packed A+, bud. Okay, it's a pop, definitely a Funko Pop. Taped it very well, trying not to look at it. Yep, taped it very well. It's in a pop protector, nice and sturdy pop protector. Okay, pulling it out now. Okay, this is the back. All right, you guys ready to see what it is? I'm anxious. What did this guy send me? Jason, what did you send me? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's see what it is. Psych. 3, 2, 1. Oh, snap. You did not. What? Oh, shoot. I said in one of my videos that I missed the first drop on this guy, the 01, because I have 02 right here. Oh, my gosh. I got 02 and I put it out on my video saying that I missed the first drop of 01 of Gabriel Fluffy Iglesias. And Jason, dude, you did not have to send me this. That is so awesome. Gabriel Fluffy Iglesias, Fluffy Shop exclusive, pop number 1. Dang, dude. Unity through laughter, next exit. So cool, man. Pop Comedians line. Gabriel Fluffy Iglesias. So now I have the first drop and the second drop right there. Thanks to you, Jason. That is so cool, bro. Thank you so much once again. I really appreciate it. We got some awesome people in our community. Thank you all so much, man. You guys are just amazing. Jason, you're awesome. Did not have to do that whatsoever. Very cool pop, man. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Fluffy's a funny guy. So like I said before, go ahead and give Jason a follow on Instagram. I'm going to leave his Instagram in the description down below. Jason, thanks again, man. This is so cool. I don't collect this line, but I definitely like Fluffy, and he cracks me up. So I definitely want to collect his pops that come out. So now my set's complete so far. Thanks again, Jason. You guys, you're amazing, man. Appreciate it. All right, well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys taking precious time out of your day to watch one of my videos. That's humbling. That's honoring. Thank you guys so much. I'm honored, man. I really am. You guys rock. If you like this video, give me a big old thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I drop a new video, hit that, tap that, push that, smash that notification bell and get notified when I drop a new video. Well, until the next one, you guys be blessed, take care, and don't forget to comment in the comment section down below, #GiveMeShredder to enter this giveaway. All right, until the next one, be blessed, peace out, bye-bye.